Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Akin here. Welcome to my VidRocket review. We're going to be taking a close look at VidRocket, and also most importantly, I'm going to be talking about the high value custom bonuses that I'm giving away to get you the best results with VidRocket. VidRocket goes live on the 25th of November by 11 a.m. Eastern Time. So this is a cloud-based software that allows you to create videos in the easiest ways possible. So you have a number of ways you can create videos with VidRocket. You can create videos just by adding a URL. You can go and get a URL for an article. You can just basically search on Google for articles on whatever niche, how to lose weight, how to make money online, how to be profitable with affiliate marketing. You can just search, get the website you want to use, get the link to the article you want to convert into video, place the link to that article in VidRocket, and it's going to create these slides for you. Now, that's one way. Another way is you can actually create these slides with images that you can actually search and use within the cloud-based software, and this gives you the slides that you can easily use to create your own videos. Now, you'll be able to create these videos, the simplest way possible, and this allows you to create some eye converting and attention grabbing videos. So this is my bonus page. You find the link to this page in the description of this video. I'm going to run through my bonuses, and then I'm also going to let you see how VidRocket works. So my first bonus, I'm going to be giving you access to a cloud-based software that allows you to drive a ton of traffic in any niche using other people's video. Now, VidRocket allows you to create videos, but in this software, you would not need to create videos or create any content at all. Rather, you're going to be able to use viral videos in any niche to drive a ton of traffic to any affiliate link. You can actually select these videos and actually place your links on these videos. You can upload images, make these images show up as this video is actually playing, and people watching these videos can actually click on your images, which is going to take them to your affiliate links. You can create call to actions. You can even create opt-in forms and put them on these videos, so you can actually build your list while making money with affiliate offers. Also, bonus number 2, you are going to be getting access to Facebook traffic software with Page Builder. Now, this allows you to drive a ton of traffic from Facebook in any niche, and also allows you to set up the whole process and put it on automation to drive your traffic even while you are sleeping. Also, bonus number 3, you're going to be getting access to a cloud-based software that gives you high converting, done for you product reviews with bonuses that actually encourage people to take action. Now, you are going to be getting access to some high quality ClickBank product reviews, and then you can just go and get your ClickBank affiliate ID, which is essentially your ClickBank username. You come and add it to your profile. And once you do that, all the done for you product reviews become active with your own affiliate links. I'm talking about ClickBank product reviews and also Warrior Plus product reviews, and this allows you to start getting paid in just a matter of hours. Also, bonus number 4, you are going to be getting access to some custom HD intro videos that you can actually use in any project to actually make your videos stand out, increase your retention, increase your conversions, and ultimately increase your sales with videos. Now, I'm going to be showing you a number of ways that you can actually get paid using videos. I know so many people want to create videos, so many people want to make money online, but are not so comfortable with showing their faces on camera. So I'm going to be showing you in this video a number of ways you can actually do this with videos, and I'm going to be showing you some free software you can actually use to create some high converting videos to drive attention and ultimately get you paid. And I'm going to be revealing a number of ways you can actually use this to get paid also. Also, bonus number 6, now when you are doing affiliate marketing, is always advisable to send people to your squeeze page first. People will need to give you their email addresses before they get redirected to your affiliate link. This way you get to build your list while actually making money with affiliate marketing. So this cloud-based software gives you access to done for you affiliate marketing squeeze page templates you can use and start getting paid. This comes with free traffic and also free traffic training. Also, bonus number 7, you are going to be getting access to all the vendor bonuses also. Now, to claim these bonuses, simply click on any of the red buttons on this page. If you do that, it's going to take you to the sales page of VidRocket, where you're going to be able to pick it up and where you're going to be getting full information. Also, once you do that, you can just log into your Warrior Plus. You can go to your purchases, you see VidRocket, and also you find my own bonuses right next to VidRocket. So here is the sales page, brand new for 2021. It's time to unlock the power of video traffic. Say hello to the brand new one-click software. Creates traffic generating videos in seconds. And that's true, this is so easy to use. So feel free to come check out the sales page here on time to get more information about this. I'm going to let you see how VidRocket works in a short while. Well, let's talk about the pricing. It goes for a one-time fee of $12.95, which is pretty cool. This is just a one-time payment and allows you to keep creating content, non-stop, and continue using this non-stop. And there are some optional upgrades like the VidRocket Unlimited Edition that goes for $47. You have the agency, also goes for $47. You have the academy that goes for $27. You have monetization that goes for $67, and you have the reseller that goes for $97. So that's going to be my review for VidRocket. You're going to find the demo right now. If you have any question, feel free to drop them in the comments section below. Thank you for checking out this review, and bye for now.
Hey guys, it's your friend Noah here, and this is a quick demo video of VidRocket. Okay, so VidRocket is a powerful cloud app that allows you to create traffic generation videos in seconds. Okay, so basically it's a video creator tool. Creating videos those days have been very hard. If you do it yourself, you're gonna spend a lot of time, and if you decide to outsource, you're gonna spend a lot of money. So we decided to create this video creation tool here, so you can create beautiful videos that can generate traffic, leads, and sales for your businesses. Okay, so here I'm going to show you very quick each tool, what it does, so you can get the idea on the power of VidRocket. So first, you can create custom videos. This will create slideshow training videos for you, kind of training videos for you. Okay, then you can convert any web page into a video if you want, and then you can create a compilation videos which will merge multiple videos into one. Okay, and then you have a thumbnail maker as well, which allows you to make thumbnails for your videos, so you can get more clicks into your videos once you upload them into the YouTube, Vimeo, or Dailymotion. Okay, so let me start with create custom videos, and here I go to create. Then let's say I'm gonna create a video about weight loss. All I need to do is add a video title like weight loss. Then I can add multiple slides here. So this can be training slides. So let's say you have training slides, you can add each slide of your training here, and then just sync with the audio, and then create a training video with that. Or you can create those kind of slideshow videos that works very well too. Okay, so let me upload the image here. Then to upload the image, I can search for image. I can upload from my computer or from the URL as well. Okay, so if I go search here, I enter a keyword. So let's say weight loss. I just search for weight loss, and then it will give me thousands of images that I can use here for that for my video. So let me select that one here. Let me select this one here and this one here. And let's say I want to add more slides, I can. So it's just add new here and select. And as you can see, I have the effects that I can add, like zoom effect, fade effect. I can change the slide text, font family, colors, and really everything, right? I can change the duration of each slide if I want, okay? And then I can upload the audio that can be a music or voiceover here. And then I need to do is click save. And then the software will go there and create a slideshow video for me. So it's on processing right now. So let me show you what the video looks like. Okay, so I will download a video here that I just created. And open here just to show you the quality of the videos. So as you can see, Okay, it created me a beautiful slideshow video. Okay, so and then I can create trainings as well. Like I said, you can upload your slides and then sync it with your voiceover, and then create a full training video as well that you can upload into YouTube or Vimeo. Okay, then I can turn any web page into a video. All I need to do is click here, and then let's say I want to turn this web page here, this post here, into a video. Okay, all I need to do is copy the URL, paste on the software, click, and it will fill all the fields here for me with image and text. Also, I can edit everything if I want. I can add audio as well, and then I just click save, and it will create a video from that web page. Okay, the video will be similar to the video that I just showed you right now. Then last, you have the create compilation videos, which allows you to merge multiple videos. Okay, so you can merge multiple videos from YouTube with that. Okay, so all you need to do is go to compilation video here, create, and then here video title, weight loss. Let's say I want to create a video about weight loss, right? I just add weight loss here, and then I can merge multiple videos from YouTube. Okay, so here if you go to upload video, you will be able to search videos on YouTube, and those videos that will be searched here are all copyright free, so you can use those videos and merge those videos to create a compilation video. Okay, so all I need to do is, like, let's search for weight loss videos, just put weight loss here, search, and then it will find multiple YouTube videos here that I can use, okay, that are copyright free. Then I just select the ones I want. So let's say I want this one here, and then I want to merge with this one here, and then I want to merge with this one here and create a full compilation video. So I just add the effects if I want. I can add some effects. I can add an intro and outro image, and now I need to do is click save, and the software will merge those videos and create one video from those 3 videos. Okay, it will merge those videos and create a compilation videos of those videos. So that's the third way you can create videos. It's compilation videos. Then lastly, you have a thumbnail maker, which allows you to create thumbnails for your videos. Okay, then we have the thumbnail maker, which allows you to create thumbnails. So basically, it's an image editor here where allows you to create thumbnails for your videos. Okay, so let me use a sample here, but I can open a picture or create a new if I want. Let me open this here, and then I can add shapes to this image. Okay, so let's say I want to add this shape here. I can add text. So let's say I want to add text here, I can, okay. Then ways of losing weight, I can. I can add shapes, stickers, a bunch of things here. It's a full image editor that allows you to create thumbnails. So that's everything you have inside of VidRocket. It creates beautiful videos and also thumbnails for you. Thanks so much for watching, and we see you in the other side.